Hi friends, welcome to POFO WordPress Theme. In this video we will show how to use Accordion Shortcode in WP Bakery Page Builder and explain about different helpful settings and different styles of Accordion Shortcode. Accordion have best and interactive vertical navigation style to categorize your content and accommodate big amount of content in smaller height of section. So first of all, log into WordPress admin backend, then create a new page or edit your existing page. Now you can see add element with plus icon. Click on row shortcode. Row shortcode is added to your page. Inside row, column is automatically added. Click on plus icon and click on POFO tab. Click on Accordion Element. You can see Accordion Element settings and pop up here. POFO provide 3 different accordion styles. You can check its front-end look with image preview. Let me go with Accordion Style 1. Manage Accordion Styles. This is section where you can manage different content of slides. You can add title of accordion. If you want to make this slide visible by default when page load, then you can select yes to set default open slide. Enter accordion content here. You can click plus icon to add new accordion slide, or you can use clone row option to replicate existing one. Let me add content for second slide. Let me add another slide and enter content. Let me add another fourth slide and enter content of it. So we have now added 4 accordion content slides. Typography tab. Here you can manage typography of title and content. Font size, line height, letter spacing, font weight, change font color, font italic on-off option, font underline on-off. Suppose you have entered big font size like 50 pixel, then in all devices client name will display with 50 pixel font size. So if you want to use a responsive font in smaller devices, then you can switch on this option. Go to Extra tab. This is Element ID. You can assign unique ID to your element, then Extra class name. You can add CSS class name here and then write custom CSS for this row. You can add custom CSS code in Appearance Customize panel, or you can add custom CSS code in Child Theme Style file also. Let me save changes and preview it. Wow, it's look awesome with entered information and my accordion looking very creative. Go back to General tab and let me choose Accordion Style 2. Here you have 2 extra options based on style selected. You can set title background color. Let me select white color as title background color. Number color. Let me select blue color as number color. Save changes and preview it. You can see Accordion Style 2 here with settings changes for colors. Go back to General tab and let me choose Toggle Style. Save changes and preview it. This is Toggle Style, where all opened slides will be open until you close it. I hope this video has been helpful. Any more question about same or theme, you can contact via our support. Thank you for watching.